Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the basics of single needle sewing machines. We'll cover everything from identifying the key components to troubleshooting some common errors. Let's get started. First, let's identify the primary parts of your sewing machine. You have the spool pin, where the thread originates. The thread then goes through the thread guides, the tension discs, the take-up lever, and finally, the needle. Down below, you'll find the bobbin, which works in tandem with the top thread to create a stitch. Understanding these parts is crucial to understanding how the machine works. Also, you have the hand wheel, used to manually move the needle, and the foot pedal, which controls the speed of your sewing. Now, let's talk about threading your machine. This can seem tricky at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Start by placing your spool of thread on the spool pin. Then, follow the threading path indicated on your machine, usually with numbered arrows. Make sure the thread goes through all the guides and the tension discs. The thread should finally go through the needle from front to back. And don't forget the bobbin. Properly winding and inserting the bobbin is essential for smooth sewing. Let's address some common errors. One of the most frequent issues is skipped stitches. This usually happens when the needle is bent or dull, or when the needle isn't the right size for the fabric. Always use the correct needle type and size for your project. Another common problem is thread breakage. This could be due to several reasons, such as incorrect threading, the thread being caught somewhere, or the tension being too tight. Rethread the machine, check the thread path, and adjust the tension. If the fabric bunches up, the tension is likely too loose. Tighten the tension slightly. Always test on a scrap piece of fabric. If your machine is making a loud noise, it may need to be oiled or cleaned. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your machine running smoothly. Finally, practice. The more you sew, the more comfortable you'll become. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different techniques. That concludes our overview of single needle sewing machine basics. Happy sewing!